What's up, guys? Sean from Srkcycles, and today is the day that we're giving away the Blackline. Yeah!
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 What are you guys doing?
Oh, we're giving away the Blackline.
Oh, sweet! That sounds good.
Alright, guys, so there is an actual winner. What's his name?
Dane. Dane is a subscriber since the very beginning. The first day we did it.
Yeah,
the first day he did it.
And he commented on the first video we made.
Yeah,
about
the only thing he ever commented that we can see was we posted the first video and he's like, I'm in. We're about to call him up right now. We're super pumped. Ben is trembling.
Ben.
All right, we're gonna try to get him on FaceTime.
I should record his phone over there.
Oh yeah, maybe we should edit that out.
Hello.
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Good. Hey, this is Sean from Srkcycles and Caleb and Ben.
What's up, man?
I watch all your videos, guys.
Awesome.
Thanks.
Hey, we just wanted to call and let you know that you were the winner.
No way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, don't lie to me, please.
I'm not kidding, man.
I'm not kidding.
You were the winner of the bike. You're the winner of the Blackline.
Oh my God, you have no idea. No.
No, man, we're not joking.
Oh,
We are.
man, after this year, that is the greatest thing that's ever happened.
Why? What happened this year?
Man, my wife had cancer this year.
Holy cow!
Oh.
Yeah, she's doing good. She just
We just talked to her.
yeah, she's better. She had thyroid cancer. She had it removed, and she's doing a lot better. But it's just been a little bit of a hectic year. But oh man, I got my motorcycle license this year. I go and look all the time. Oh.
So do you currently have a bike right now?
No, I don't. This will be my first motorcycle.
Oh, man. That's awesome.
This is awesome.
That is cool, dude. That is. You know what? We went back and so we withdrew your name about an hour or two ago, and we were trying to find you on social media and stuff, and
My stuff's all locked down because of what I do for a living. I don't want people to really find me.
right. That's cool. That's cool. And what did we find out? I forget what happened.
We thought you might have had a bike because of your profile picture on YouTube.
No, I actually that's a bike I rode on a demo day. It was a 2018 CVO road glide.
Oh yeah, you know what? So we saw on our YouTube channel that whenever we announced doing this giveaway, you were like one of our first Patreon subscribers.
Oh, dude, I've been following you guys for a long time, man. Because I'm from up north. I'm from New York.
Yeah, we saw that.
Yeah, so I moved to Texas several years ago, but I forget how I came across you. And I've started following you. I think I was looking at the the highballs, the Victory highballs.
Yeah.
And you had a test ride video, and I seen it, and I've seen some of your other stuff, so I've been following you ever since.
That's awesome, man. Yeah, so we saw that you were one of our first Patreon subscribers, and then when we posted that video, you said you were like, I'm in. And I think that might have been the only comment you ever said.
Yo, man, my wife's gonna kill me, but she's gonna be so happy to hear that I don't have to brag her ear off anymore. You know, it's funny. I was just driving home thinking about it too, telling myself, I'm gonna win.
That's awesome.
Yo,
Dude, that's so awesome.
So what did you think when we sent you that message today about about getting your number?
I was like, wow, I made the top 100. That's awesome. And then my wife, I literally just pulled home. She goes, hey, those guys from the motorcycle place are trying to call you. And I told her, don't mess with me. She goes, no, for real. I gave the right number. And next thing you know, you started calling me. I was like, oh, my God.
Yeah, you gave us the wrong number.
Yeah, my fat finger hit a
Dude, that is awesome, man. We are so pumped.
Dude, I'm pumped, man. This is making my birthday's in this month. Like, this literally has made December has been a great month for me.
Dang, that's awesome,
Dude.
man.
Yeah, man, that's really awesome.
That's cool, man. Hey,
I I'm never the guy to win stuff like this. So.
Yo, you are today. You're the guy today. That is killer, man.
That's awesome.
And I'm glad to hear your wife's doing better. That's awesome.
Yeah, that's
I
awesome.
like following you guys. I actually look at your stuff all the time because when I was ready to buy, I was going to try to buy through y'all just because I just like what y'all are doing, man. You know, you're like family-based. You know, you're very people-friendly. Like, it's just a different operation.
Cool, man. Yeah, I appreciate that. I'm glad you can see that. We try pretty hard to get that family orientation. Well, cool, man. So I probably should have told you this, but we are recording this video.
Oh, it's okay, man. I don't care.
All right, and then so we're gonna post this on Sundays, and everyone else is gonna know. But for the next 2 days, you're the only one that knows, and it's yours, man. So let's
We have his phone. We have your phone number now.
Yeah, we got your information.
We have the right one. We got the right one now.
We got the right one.
We got your information. We're gonna contact you probably within the next week, and we'll work on all the logistics and how to figure everything out. Guys, I am so pumped. Guys, we just got done talking to the guy Dane, who's getting the bike. He seems like an awesome guy. He's been a subscriber for a long time. He was one of our original Patreon followers. It's actually his first bike. He's been going through a lot of crazy stuff this past year, and this is just kind of, it looks like things are like change and start going up for him. I'm super pumped. I feel like it couldn't be a better person. I mean, I know there's a lot of awesome people out there, so maybe I shouldn't say that, but this guy's super cool, and he was super excited about it too. So let's talk about the future of the next giveaway, and also the Patreon page. We're gonna keep on putting out more content. We're gonna do a better job of putting out more content on Patreon, and then also the exclusive stuff. Better shipping rates for Srkcycles customers. You get to know what kind of bikes we get in sooner. And we're gonna figure out a way to start doing more exclusive stuff to add more value to it. But then when it comes to the next giveaway is gonna have nothing to do with Patreon. They kind of hassled us about the first one, about this giveaway. They took us off for a couple weeks. The next giveaway is just gonna be. There's only 2 qualifications to be in this giveaway. Yeah. You gotta be a subscriber to Srkcycles and Bikes and Beards, and you have to get on our email mailing list. So there'll be a thing on the website, srkcycles.com. There'll also be a link underneath in all the descriptions to jump in there, and that's all you got to do to become eligible for the next giveaway. Now the next giveaway is going to be a dyno build. So we're going to have, a handful of videos of us doing taking a fairly stock bike, doing mods to it, throwing parts on, the exhaust, tuner, we got lights, new handlebars, just a lot of cool dyno build stuff. And so you guys will know exactly what's going on for the whole process. You'll watch us do the build, learn about some modifications we're doing to it, and then we're going to give the bike away. The whole thing's probably going to take, 4 to 6 months, but we are super pumped about the next giveaway, and $0. It'll be absolutely free for you guys to get in on it. So we are pumped. We'll see you guys later. All right, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.
Sweet.